Okay, so let's now look at our new group, and we're going to add some information here to this. We're going to start customizing it. So you can see here down the sidebar we've got settings, and the settings is really where you can make adjustments that are going to impact everything within your community. So we can rename our community, we can change the slug here, we can add a new description if we wanted to, we could write something specific to our group, we can update the cover image here. So if I wanted to update this, I could go upload, I could add a cover image. So instead of using my icon here, I could upload a banner, which is going to then be really nice. I can customize the type of group it is. I can make it a public group, which means that people don't need to register to see the content, and as opposed to private where they have to register before they see the content. And we can also price my group here. We've got this other really cool setting here that is called paid external. If you don't want to use our payment system, you want to use another system. So for example, if you're running a high ticket training program and you're selling through Stripe, you get a customer through Stripe. The group shows that it's paid. You can set what price that group is, but it means that we're not going to click payment through our system. People can apply. So you can, say, for example, sell in person, and then you can tell people, hey, apply to this group here, and then you can approve them based on verifying their purchase in an external platform. So that's a really useful tool. We also have some really useful advanced tools here where you can customize the group's language. So depending on which group that you're running, like if you're running a German group, for example, you can have all your settings in German. We've got a really good translation system for this. We can require people to update their profile image, so you can be sure that your members are applying with a real image as their face. And then we've got payment consent settings, which is really specific to EU. However, for our EU customers, this is obviously critical. It's really important. So you can use this to withdraw a right waiver. You can have performance consents, custom consent texts that you could add into your group, and then you've got your social links for your group that can be added down here. These are not specific. These are specific to your group and not related to your profile. Now, with any changes you do, click Save here, and those changes are then going to go save. They're going to then reflect, and you'll be able to then go and you'll be able to see this banner, this cover, for example, on your landing page. It will also be on the marketplace or inside of the community area that we have when you're viewing different groups. So that's then there as well. Now, in future training, we're going to go through other parts of this. These settings again are where you can customize your group, everything that happens in your group. And when you're first starting your group, it's really a good idea to get familiar with these settings, because they're going to help you to be able to customize the experience that you want. So it's going to be the best possible experience for your members.